Hello students. So from today we are going to start with the practicals of physical pharmaceutics 1, and in that the first practical is for the determination of solubility of drugs at room temperature. Now the procedure which is included here, by this we can find out the solubility of drug at various temperatures and at the room temperature. Now about the solubility of drugs we have already discussed in the chapter, that is what the solubility of drugs. And how do we define the solubility? It can be defined in a quantitative way as well as in the qualitative way. So when we define it qualitatively, we say what? We say that it is a spontaneous interaction between solute and solvent. And when we say it quantitatively, it is what? It is the amount of solute which is present in a saturated solution. Now this is important. What is it? It is the amount of solute which is dissolved in a saturated solution. So what we have to find out here, that amount what is dissolved in a saturated solution. So for this we have to prepare, first step is what? Preparation of a saturated solution. Now we will prepare the saturated solution at some elevated temperatures. Now suppose we want to determine the solubility at different temperatures. So if our aim is to determine the solubility at 50 degree, 40 degrees or 30 degree or even at the room temperature. But initially we have to start with the elevated temperature. That means we have to select the temperature above 50 degree. So here we are going to make a saturated solution first at 65 degree, so that we can find out the solubility at 60 degree also. So this is what this thermostat is here, and we have kept the water. Now how much of water it will be required? See, if we want to prepare this, if we want to determine the solubility at 4 different temperatures or 5 different temperatures, and at each temperature we want to take out the 2 samples of 10 ml each. तो 60 ml पे 2 सैंपल्स निकालेंगे 10 ml each, that means 20 ml. ऐसे ही हमको 4 या 5 टेम्परेचर्स पे करना है, तो क्वांटिटी ऑफ वाटर वी रिक्वायर इज एक्चुअली मोर देन 100 ml. So what we will do, we will first take a water that is actually more than that of the 150 ml, and this is, we have to maintain the temperature that is 65 degree. Okay, so now the temperature it is maintained at 65 degree. I will take out this thermometer and we have to prepare here a saturated solution of benzoic acid, as we are going to determine the solubility of benzoic acid at various temperatures. So now I will add it and will stir it to prepare the saturated solution. So all of you know how to prepare the saturated solution. The saturation can be seen by when no more solids that dissolve into a given amount of solvent. Okay, so here we are preparing a saturated solution. We will add little amount of benzoic acid, and as it will dissolve, we will go on adding, continue on adding until the stage comes where no more solid, it goes into a solution. So now this is the saturated solution. Now this is maintained at higher temperature. So now what we have to do, we have to take out the samples at various degrees. Okay. So now what we have to do, first we will switch off this thermostat. And now we will allow the temperature to fall to the 60 degree. So as the temperature falls to the 60 degree, we have to take out the sample, that is 10 ml each, and we have to take it into a conical flask. So what we will do now, we will take it cautiously, take out it cautiously, and at 60 degree, as it reaches to the 60 degree, now it is above 60 degree. So we will allow it to cool to 60 degree, and at 60 degree we will take out 2 samples of 10 ml each.
Ready.
So now the temperature it has dropped to the 60 degree. and at 60 degree we will collect the two samples 10 ml of each and we will transfer it to the conical flask. So now here I have already pipetted out the 10 ml of sample, and now to this we have to add the phenolphthalein indicator. Three to 4 drops of phenolphthalein indicator, and then it is to be titrated with 0.1 normal NaOH. Now why we are titrating it with 0.1 normal NaOH? See, we have dissolved the benzoic acid. We want to determine the solubility of benzoic acid. Now how much of benzoic acid is present in this solution? This we are going to find out by titrating it with the NaOH. So we are taking that 0.1 normal NaOH and we have to titrate it till it becomes pink in color, and that will be the end point of this determination. So here it is the end point for this titration, and the value is here, that is 0.3 ml or 0.4 ml, 0.3 ml. Okay, so similarly we have to take out one more sample, and this is to be titrated with the 0.1 normal NaOH. Now next is we have to take the samples at different temperatures. So as the solution it drops to the 50 degrees, 40 degrees, 30 degrees and at room temperature, at each temperature we have to take out two samples of 10 ml each, and this is to be titrated with the NaOH. Now while pipetting out, you have to keep in mind that solid particles should not come. That means what we want to determine? We want to determine which is in a soluble form. Benzoic acid which is there in a dissolved form, not in a undissolved form. So even you can take what the filter tube which is attached to the pipette, and with that filter tube we can take out the 10 ml of sample, or otherwise we can take out the 10 ml of sample and then we can filter it. Okay, so this you have to keep in mind while doing the practical, and then it is to be titrated with the NaOH. So same you have to titrate at different temperatures. That means actually you have to determine what is the amount of benzoic acid which is saturated at different temperatures, which is dissolved in the solvent at different temperatures. So in this way it is to be determined. Okay, next is about the formulation, about the formula to determine the solubility. So now the simple formula we have to use here, that is what N1V1 is equals to N2V2, and according to that, now here what we know, how much ml of benzoic acid we have taken, only the normality we don't know there, how much ml of NaOH required we know, and what is the normality of NaOH that we know. So N1V1 it is what? About the benzoic acid, and N2V2 it is about the NaOH, and same we have to find out here. Okay, so this is about the practical one, what you have to perform. First you have to make a saturated solution at some elevated temperature. We are determining it at 60 degrees, so we are making a saturated solution at 65 degrees. As we are making it at saturated at 65 degree, after that we have to take out the beaker, and as the temperature it lowers down to 60 degree, take out two 10 ml of samples each into a conical flask, add phenolphthalein indicator, and then to be titrated against 0.1 normal NaOH. Same the procedure you have to repeat at different temperatures, at 50 degree, 40 degree, 30 degree and at room temperature.